Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here doing my FabFitFun unboxing for summer 2020. And if you want to see what FabFitFun sent me, then keep on watching. When I unboxed my very first FabFitFun, I was completely blown away, and I'll be sure to card it up here for you guys to watch. FabFitFun is a subscription box that is sent to you every season, so consider it like a treat for yourself. So opening the box up, we have the magazine that's inside there, which has a list of all the items that were across all FabFitFun boxes and other tips and tricks of how to use the products inside, some other like exclusive offers that they have, and just things to check out on their website. I do thumb through this to kind of get some different ideas and inspiration for products that are inside that maybe I'm not too used to using. So speaking of, FabFitFun collabs with other companies and they offer you promo codes so you can check out their services. And this quarter we have the Bright Sellers, which gives you a $50 credit. It looks like that this is a wine service, and obviously I would love to try new wines. One of the best wines I've ever had in my entire life was when I was in Budapest, and it was Terre, which was such a sweet golden white wine. It was so good. And I'm wondering if like maybe they would offer something like that, but it is a $50 credit, which is really exciting. So you can take the quiz, you can feel your matches, and then experience it. This is something I'm definitely interested in. I know last time that I got something from FabFitFun, I wasn't exactly interested in the product, but this is one I am definitely excited about. The first item I pulled out of my FabFitFun is the Michael Kors Bedford Travel Passport Wallet, and this retails for $78. This one I do like because it does offer a couple card slots in there. It does have like, you know, bill holder, and I like it because it's literally just grab and go. I do have a travel wallet that I swear by, and I think one of these days I will do a travel necessities video, like things I can't travel without, because I do get asked sometimes like some different things that I do travel with and like what's the most efficient. I don't think this will replace that, but I do love the convenience of everything all in one. Next in our FabFitFun we have a Kate Somerville product, and this is the Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. This guy retails for $65. I am a huge fan of Kate Somerville products, so this is definitely exciting. Ooh, what's this? Oh, it looks like that you can save 20% off when get free shipping too when you order things from katesomerville.com, which just seems like it's a nice little promo code. This is the Goatville Moisturizing Cream. I don't know why, but you know I got a, ooh, it's like, the consistency is a little watery, I would say, but maybe it's just because it's been sitting for a while. This is going to be very good for sensitive skin, which is not something that I have a problem with, but it will be nice, like, you know, on those days that say I'm out in the sun, or if say I do get a sunburn or whatever the case may be, this will be a little less intrusive on the skin, but it's still going to moisturize. This is the LashesMD Eyelash and Eyebrow Conditioner, and this guy retails for $69.95. I'm assuming this is going to be the same thing as the Grand Lashes serum that I actually just recently made a favorites video. I'm kind of hoping it's the same results because I really liked what that gave me. It's supposed to rejuvenate and moisturize lashes with amino acid, peptides, and vitamins. This seems to be the same exact thing as the Grand Lashes. Notice since I've stopped using the lash serum, I have like a little bit of a weird bald spot over here that I've been trying to like fix, and maybe this will be the answer to my problems. Is the Cali Cosmetics Foot Cream with Menthol and Tarocco. This guy retails for $24, and it's in the scent Sicilian Blood Oranges. Ooh, that's nice. It smells really bright and summery. It has menthol and olive oil to help heal and hydrate your feet. My feet are pretty rough when it comes to just like dry spots and everything, so this will be a nice little addition for when I do at-home pedicures. I've currently been using the Samba Foot Fetish Cream from Sol de Janeiro. I do really like that for obvious reasons, but I am excited to try something else. This is from Riddle, and this is the Oil Original Roll-On, and this retails for $50. This says that this is a perfume that mixes with your personal chemistry to create a signature scent that's unique to you. Ooh, we like that. Ooh. So the base of it has a very simple, clean smell to it. Oh, I like that on its own. All right, no making fun of my bad fake tan because it's bad. But we're gonna put a little bit here, and I'm gonna rub it together because it says to do so, even though you're not supposed to do this. But I'm following instructions for once in my life. Ooh. Okay, wow. Oh my god. It smells light, it smells clean, crisp, but it has like a musky scent to it. Oh my god. I really, really like that. So this seems like it's going to obviously react to everybody differently. I can tell you that I like the scent that I have. It almost reminds me, this is gonna be a stretch, but stay with me. If you have ever used Pure Romance's Basic Instincts Pheromone Roller Balm, that's what it smells like. This is what that reminds me of. Now the whole video, I'm just gonna be smelling myself. We have here looks like a beauty blender, but this is the MakeupDrop Hybrid Makeup Applicator. He retails for $20. 9 times out of 10 when I do my makeup, I'm already sitting at my desk. I forget to grab a beauty blender to go and like rinse it and like soak it so that it expands. But yeah, oh, whoa, this is so weird. It says that it has a silicone side and then obviously the sponge side, but that is oh, that is weird feeling. I'm not a huge makeup sponge person. I have recently started trying to incorporate more because your girl hates washing her brushes, for starters. And two, I just have some other formulas of foundation that I've been using that just seems to work better with a sponge. I remember a long time ago when silicone applicators were the thing, and in fact, I think I got one in a subscription, and I remember not being a fan of it. We have here a beach mist spray. So it's a botanical after sun spray from the Lyfestyle company, and this guy retails for $42. Reset and refresh your skin by spritzing the smooth aloe, mint, and lavender mixture from the bottom. Started from the bottom, now we here. Within like the last 2 to 3 years, confidently I can say this, anytime I go outside and like I am outside for a long period of time, I break out into little hives on my hands, which I'm starting to think is like more allergy related because I don't have allergies. I don't get sneezy, I don't get like runny nose, I don't get gross, but like when I'm outside or if it's like really nice out, I break out into little hives. So the spritzer is pretty strong. I can't really smell it, but we'll try like putting it on my arm. Spraying it on my arm, and again, I don't know if it's because like it's a spray, but it feels cooling. And I mean, there is aloe and mint in it, so that could be why that's the case. I am going to be going on vacation soon up to Lake George, and this is something I'm definitely going to bring with me because I know we do have a beach day or hiking day planned. And yeah, I will be sure to test this out because again, I'm not a big like sit outside in the sun kind of person, but if I had something that would make it better in the long run, I might be. This is the last thing that is inside our FabFitFun, and this is a hefty bottle. It's the Terre Aloe and Tea Tree Toner, and this guy retails for $54. He feels like he weighs $54 because he's bougie. That's why she's bougie. She in a glass bottle. She gonna look cute AF on my vanity, that's for sure. Aloe and tea tree combo to smooth skin and slosh away dead skin cells. Is gentle enough to use twice a day. Oh, okay. I was nervous that the top wasn't gonna be like user friendly, but it does have like a little stopper on the top here, so you're not going to be wasting product, which is good for $54. How does one do this? I don't have nails, and that's the ow! Just did something. Oh, dummy. I'm just getting embarrassed in this video today. Came in all nicey nice in this world. We're gonna put her back in this world all nicey nice. Yeah, that was everything that was inside my FabFitFun box. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content, and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new FabFitFun unboxings, and along with any other videos. I'm really impressed. Obviously, I'm not good at math, and I will be sure to put the value of the box right here. This one I like because I feel like I got a lot of bang for my buck. Like this toner is $55, the spray is $42, this moisturizer $70. Like, you're getting a ton for your money. And again, FabFitFun is only $50 every 3 months or something. Definitely a good FabFitFun. This would definitely make me want to keep it again. I'm really impressed, and yeah, I will be sure to list my website down below, and you can find that over at sarahlock.com, 2H's2Ks, and I will list all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you always, stay safe, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. If you see my bra, I don't need you in the comments telling me you see my bra, because listen, this shirt is very low cut. And I am wearing a bralette that doesn't help the girls. So you're either gonna see my bra or you're gonna see my boobies. Which one do you want? That's rhetorical, because I know a lot of people are gonna say one thing that they shouldn't be seeing. Mama gonna get some wine. She gonna get some wine. And when you drink wine, two things happens. One, you either cry your face off, or two, let's get it on. Oh, baby. Let's get it on. Not bad. How obvious was it that I was filming without glasses on? Because your girl can't see. I just want to open it. You know, I'm not trying to get embarrassed on the internet. And this is a silicone side and a latex-free sponge side to give your makeup a flawless finish. That's a tongue twister. Twister. I can't see. I think I just had a stroke. She's cold. She got that Rona. What do we got here? This is... Where are you? Got my handy dandy little lookbook here. Next, let's see what... Oh gosh! Yellow. FabFitFun is a subscription. Promise you're not gonna burn the house down? God, I hope so.